All right, so welcome to NetRiders Ontario, and we have here
Andrew Stone, Paul McCarr, Adam Hughes, Matthew Provo,
William Conn, Matthew Brooks,
Jordan Emmons.
And where are you folks from?
Ottawa, Carleton University, and Algonquin College.
IPv6.
And your name is?
I'm Brian.
Brian.
Yes.
And over here we have
Chris,
Chris and
Danny,
Brandon.
Tom.
so are you guys having fun?
yes,
yeah.
tons.
Awesome.
So much fun.
Can I stay here forever?
There's no doubt that if you're going through the Cisco certification, I'm very confident that you're going to know your technology. Those of us that come from a technical background, it's really up to us to be able to make IT more relevant, because IT is no longer an enabling strategy. It really is the strategy. If you look at the way, IT has the power, and we've done it here inside of Cisco, to change the way you drive productivity up. So if you go into organizations, whoever they may be, whatever industry they may be, how are you going to go in there? Are you going to be one of those technology people that kind of sit in the back and wait for a task to be given to you to be executed? Or is there an opportunity for you to architecture on the future?
We build in everything. So it's security in every product that we develop, it's optimization, it's all those components built into one. When Derek walks in the room, I'll go, whoop, lights red. And then what will happen is, Derek walks in the space, we change the signage to meet his mood, and then we'll sort of cool it off just to set the mood, and then we might change it to lights blue, and we'll set it to lights blue. So some of the cool things going on though, are all these integration points, voice recognition.
Technical college where I went and got my CCNP. After that, I started working for Cisco as a contractor in Vancouver. So I worked as their lab administrator for 2 years out in Vancouver, and I got to do all sorts of fun stuff I had no idea that Cisco did. So my job was to manage this demonstration room that we took customers into and kind of showed them around and showed off all the bells and whistles. That was really fun. And then I spent a year down in North Carolina last year, going through kind of it's kind of like Cisco University, where I got trained up to be a systems engineer, which is what I do today. So I went through all sorts of training, not just technical training, but also business etiquette training, how do you eat properly at dinner, which forks do you use, and all sorts of stuff like that. And while I was down there, I also got my CCIE.
That allows them to run video, just like Regan was talking about with that DMP device, over their network as multicast streams to different TVs, and enables them to switch the channels through the phone. So I work with them, I work with Rogers Wireless, I work with the Rogers Wireless Management Network, Rogers Cable.
So we're a lot of just kind of consulting there to help make sure that their network will be optimized, that they're happy with all of the Cisco devices, that everything's working the way that it should be.